now we are here in Mufraka and we're going to try Sudanese food.
أغلبنا في الآخر مهاجرين من الجزيرة العربية.
Interpret.
سيدنا موسى من عندنا.
They are telling, are you from Sudan? Yes, I am from Sudan. Are they your friends? Yes, they are my friends.
Is that true? Is that what you talked about?
Hi guys, hope you are doing fine today. We are now here in Mufraka and we are going to try Sudanese food. So what is Mufraka?
Mufraka is a word, Sudanese word. It is a tool used for stirring. So while you are cooking, so you put this inside the pot, do it like this, but very fast. So this is the inspiration for the motorized stirrers, for the mechanical stirrers that we see today.
Mufraka restaurant is one of the hidden gems here in Abu Dhabi. This is called tambur. It is their national instrument. Basically, it's like guitar. They use clay pots to keep their water cold. And this one is used for incense.
This is shaya jamur. It's charcoal grilled cubes of lamb with their own seasoning. It's served really hot, and it has charcoal to make it stay really hot. This is peanut butter salad. It's tomato with cucumbers, lemon, salt and pepper, and then drizzled with sesame oil. We're very excited to try this. The way to eat this is grab some piece of meat and then dip it in the sauce.
That's too much. That's too much. That's too much.
Is it too much? I like spicy food. It's really too much. The meat is very nice, very rich. It has no complicated sauce in it. It's like salt and pepper basically, and so it lifts up the flavor of the meat, and the sauce goes well with it. But the sauce is like a really spicy, so try to lessen up. It goes well together.
Hi guys! So we are here in a Sudanese restaurant with my friend Isra, and I'm very excited to try their food. So this is lamb. First, I'm gonna try it with this chili sauce with peanut butter. Only a little bit, right?
Put some more.
Bit more? But I don't like spicy.
It's a yummy spicy. Try to say something.
The meat is so tasty and it's awesome.
Now try
Now
it
I'm
with
going to try it with the peanut butter salad. Doesn't look like there's peanut butter.
It has.
Take a piece of lamb and then try it with the salad. The combination of these two is perfect. It's awesome.
This is agache. It's thinly sliced meat marinated in various spices, then barbecued. Lime.
Oh yeah, this is slime. Okay. Grab a piece of meat and then munch. The meat is perfectly cooked. It's so perfect. Now I feel like I want to live in Sudan. Their food are very, very nice.
I'll just try it. Like, it's nice. What kind of spices are there?
I have no idea.
It's really good. I'm not very familiar with the spices in here. It's not spicy at all.
From what I know, there's been a butter there.
Really nice. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say, but it's really nice. I really like it. It's crispy. I think it's very tasty. This is called salij. It has spinach and okra to make it slimy, and it's served with the bread called kisra. That's why it's the favorite of the Isra.
Oh, cheesy.
It's like a lumpia wrapper. It's like the wrapper of the spring onion. Yeah, I think I would be messy if I use my hand.
Just give up.
It's really good. I like the texture, and it's very fresh. The taste is very fresh.
Smells green. I didn't imagine that okra and spinach would be a nice combination. It's very healthy. In this salij, I can taste the fennel. It has some green strips you can see. Can you see the green ones? It has fennel and it's so tasty. Okay, Isra, Kisra, wanna kiss?
Oh my god. My experience with the food, okay, it was beautiful. Yeah, the food is good. It's like what the way my mom makes it.
She's Isra, my friend. She's a Sudanese, and we have tried their food. And how's your food?
Our food is flavorful.
Yes, they have very nice food. You will love it. For the agasha, I like it so much, and it's one of their street foods, right?
Yep.
Yes, and then for the shaya, it's the perfect lamb, and it's so tasty. And then the last one, the kisra, no, it's not kisra, the salij. It's Isra's favorite, and just like her, it was so beautiful and awesome.
I really like the peanut butter salad. It's my first time trying it, and it's very surprisingly good. And the basta, it's basta. It's masarap.
How about the Pepsi?
The Pepsi, it's amazingly surprising. It's my first time to try Pepsi. The kisra is like somehow there's a natural sour taste. It's like the wrapper of the spring roll, like we do in the Philippines. It's nice. It goes well with the salij.
If you did not try this food before, go ahead and try it. You're missing a lot. And please follow the channel and subscribe.
I'd like all the kabayan to come down to Mufraka and enjoy our delicious food. And we will be welcoming you guys and see you soon. Thank you so much. And make sure to watch this video on Kanjoos TV.
Hi guys, thank you for joining us today. I hope we will see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up.
Bye-bye!